Here's how to install AutoCAD on MacBook. So the first step is to go to their official website. So open up any browser on your Mac and search for AutoCAD and then click on download and buy official software. Now, once you get to this page, we're gonna have to click on download free trial. So if you don't want to buy it right away, you can click on download free trial. And then after that, we're gonna get redirected here. So here we just have to simply choose one of these options. Now for here, we just have to select AutoCAD for Mac. This is very important. And then click on next, sign in. So here we're gonna have to enter our email address. So I'm going to copy mine and paste it here. Now, once we do that, we're gonna have to simply enter our first and last name. Here, we just have to answer these questions. So here I'm going to add random ones. So here we just have to simply select this one and then click on complete to submit. So we just have to enter our country of residence, our phone number. So this is very important. Now don't worry, this will be your AutoCAD account. So make sure to enter the right details. Now, once we do that, as you can see, we're gonna have to do a phone verification. So make sure to enter the correct phone number because in order to download them, you're gonna have to verify your account. So after that, we just have to click on download and then the download should start automatically. Now, as you can see, this is our day one of our 15 days trial. So now we just have to wait until this downloads. So we're gonna have to simply double click on the file that we just downloaded, and then we're gonna have to simply click on install Autodesk AutoCAD. So here we just have to click on open, and then we just have to click on allow. So as you can see, now it's preparing for installation. So we just have to wait until this loads up, and basically this is how you can install AutoCAD on any MacBook. So it doesn't matter which type of MacBook you have. I have the M2, the Air one. So you can have the M1, M2, M3, M4. You can have the Air one, you can have the Pro one. It's working. So now it's still installing. So as you can see, it will install. So let's click on allow here. So now, as you can see, it's opening up. So let's click on it here. Now we're gonna have to enter our password. So it's preparing. Now we just have to wait again, and basically it should be done. Now for MacBooks, as you can see, we're gonna have to load this. So we just have to modify these settings, otherwise it won't work. So after we do that, we just have to agree all the terms and conditions. Now we just have to choose where we want to install it and then click on install, and that's it. Now, if you see any pop-ups like this, make sure to allow everything in order to be able to install AutoCAD on your Mac. So basically, that's all for today's video. Make sure to like and subscribe. Thanks for watching.